Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and in this video I want to show you my networking station. This is where all of our internet needs go down. It is the central hub for not only our internet, but we've also got some smart home devices and our latest addition, a network attached storage device. So I'm going to take you through each of these things one by one, and we are going to go over them in depth, and I'll show you what we use. So starting off, we're actually going to start down here, and this is where our internet comes in. We get internet service from Xfinity, Comcast. What is the difference? I don't know. We get 85 megabits per second download, and it's unequal, so we get about 6 up. It kind of sucks, but it's not that bad. So yeah, it goes through a coax cable to our modem right there. I do own my modem. I don't rent one. I don't know why you would want to rent it. This is the, hold on, let me see if I can move this light. This is the ARS surfboard. It's really nothing special. It does not do anything other than convert the signal, but hey, I don't have a problem with it and it works good. So yeah, I'm fine with that. So this modem right here goes from here down to the back of the router. As you can see, we got cable management pretty good right here. And this goes from here down to the back of our router, which is the Apple Airport Extreme. I love this thing. I've been using it for the last couple of years. Signal strength is awesome. It works amazing with Mac, and the utilities on both Mac and iOS are awesome. So I love this thing. The only downside is it has a USB 2 port. I'd love it to have USB 3 so I can actually plug a hard drive into there. But yeah, I haven't had any issues with it at all. This covers my entire house with pretty much exact same speeds anywhere you go, which is great. So I love this thing. So connected to this is two things: our network attached storage device, which we'll go over in a second, and a network switch. And in that switch are these two things. Let me show you the switch real quick. It's actually kind of cool. It goes from the back of here on to the side of the thing right here. So on the side of the cabinet, we have a network switch. So this has 5 ports. One is the internet in, and then 2 are being used for this. I have 2 extra ports on the side here. This does give me full gigabit speeds, so I can plug anything into here. And it's kind of cool. I don't have to worry about fumbling behind back here. I just plug something right in to the side, and it's really simple and easy, and I love that thing. So I thought that was a pretty nice solution. So that's that. And plugged into that, we have 2 things. This is the T-Mobile personal cell spot. We made a video on this, and this gives me full bars of internet on, or not internet, but network on my phone. So if we take a look here, you can see, if it'll focus, you can see I have full LTE bars on the phone. And previously that was only about 3 bars, and some calls were dropped. So this gives me full cellular coverage, which is awesome. And yeah, I love this thing as well. Right here is the Insteon hub. This is how I can control my lights with my phone using Amazon Echo and Google Home. And it has other things that you can use as well, but I mainly just control lights with my voice, and it works fine. I did have one die like last week, so I got a new one in there, and I've been using Insteon for like 3 or 4 years, but I just got this one last week. And then kind of the final thing is actually down here on the floor on a piece of tile, because I didn't want it to sit on the carpet and rattle too much, is a network attached storage device. This is the Synology DS418. We just made a video on this, and you can check that out. We've also have a video on the router and the T-Mobile personal cell spot if you want to check that out as well. But this thing is loaded with currently 2 hard drives, and a total of 6 terabytes, but it's using Synology RAID, which will only give me 3. I had a Drobo right before this, but it gave me weird speeds that were way too slow. This one is about the same as the Drobo speeds, but it's a lot cheaper. So I replaced the Drobo with this, and I'm happy with it. It does a ton of awesome features like media station, so I can stream content from this to like a phone or an Apple TV, which is awesome. And it has 4 drive bays. I'm only using 2. I like the fact that it has a USB port on it, so I can import media from a camera. And I get pretty decent speeds if I connect my computer directly to the router. And on this, we store like TV shows, movies, but also all of my files for our videos. And I also edit directly off of this from the network, along with our other editor that we just brought on. So now all of our computers can access the files, the raw files, and the projects. We can all edit over the network. No cables needed at all. So it's pretty awesome. I like this thing a lot. And that is our network setup. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'd love to answer them. I've been working on this for several years now, and that latest edition right there, I love that thing. It's super cool. If you like this video, definitely leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with iBullTech128, and I will see you in the next one.